Those who are fed up with losses or are job holders or want to make long-term investments, then this video is for you. The robot shows you how to trade and when to trade. The algorithms of this robot are very special. It does not open positions every time. First, verify the trend and verify the strong support resistance, then open the positions. It's a very special thing of this robot. Create your own Dare account and make a deposit. I have put the link of the Telegram channel of the owner of this robot in the description. Go there and get the robot and make profit daily. Subscribe my channel for more informative videos.